Hi everyone, here we've got XIAOMI Mi 11i, and let me share with you some useful secret codes which you can use on your device. So firstly, let's enter the dialer, because this is the place where we'll enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which will open the email info. It is *#06#. And as I said, the device information just pops out. We can check both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *#225#***. And as I said, we are in the calendar info. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should appear right here, or events attached to your mail or birthday. So here you've got all the events in one place, so this is the best place to check all of them, because they are grouped into particular sections also. Let's get back and let me show you another code which is, let's say, more technical. It will open the battery info. It is *#6485. ###. And as I said, here we've got some charging and battery info, so here you can check some information about that, probably the status, if it is charging or not, and so on and so on, the level. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *#426 #**. And here in the diagnostics, we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. We can tap on events also, and here we've got some further details. We can show advanced view just by tapping on this 3-dot icon and marking this option. And after getting back to the status, you can check more information, for example, the network type or HP algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which will open the testing menu. It is *#4636#*##. And as I said, we are in a testing mode. Here we've got the phone information and also the Wi-Fi info. We've got two different phone information because you are able to put two different SIM cards in your device, so that's why. Let's tap on this first one, and as you can see here, you can check the email number, phone number if you will have your SIM card inserted, or data service, data network type. What's more, we can run ping test here. Just tap here and you've got the results. After tapping on more, you can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's get back and let me show you the Wi-Fi info. And here we can check the API configuration or the status. Let's enter the status, for example. Let's refresh the stats, and here we can check, for example, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your XIAOMI Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.